Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I have a new unboxing. This time is the Allure beauty box for January. They start the year with a new packaging and this one looks like this. The box, it's not that a regular red box that we used to get. They change even the shipping box and right now looks like this. And let's see what we have inside. They change also, as I told you, the red box that the products were in. We have, as usual, the card, but this is the new packaging for the Allure beauty box. Is this a red bag? Comes with those buttons and you open them. It's a pretty nice packaging. I love this one more than the box that they have before, and I think this is pretty cute to use for all other things, even to carry with you, to have small things in this one. So love the packaging, love this bright red right here. It's transparent so you can see what's inside. So far here is the bag, and let's see what we have for the month of January. And I have also the card in here, and let's pick up some products from here. I love this bag. The first thing that I have in here is this Mali, and this is Mali Shadow Stick Extra in burnished bronze. The price of this, it's 25. I'm not gonna read all the description. Here is the product. It's a full size. It's a dark color, and let me swatch this one. I like this type of so here is the shade of this one. I had a very similar shade from Tarte, which was almost exactly like this one. So here is an eyeshadow crayon stick from them, a full size, which is $25. Then we have a hair product, and this, no, I'm wrong, this is why, if I'm saying that right, it's Scalp and Body Scrub, which is this one right here. A full size of this one is 38. Scalp and Body Scrub. So it's for scalp and body, 2-in-1. Very little product in this one. I would say you can use it for your scalp, but for body I don't think it's enough. So is this product. Then we have a great size in here from Sandy Riley. This is CO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. I believe this one is the full size. I'm not very sure. This one is $80 and comes with 15 milliliters. Probably this one is the full size. It's this dark orange color. Great. Allure gave us many products from Sandy Riley, which I think was great, and we have also full size a while ago the serum from Sandy Riley, which was not bad at all. I love to get Sandy Riley products, and here is one of them. We have another Sandy Riley product, and is this one, a deluxe sample. It's something that is new to me. It's Sandy Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. This guy right here, and this one comes with 8 milliliters. This one in a full size, it's $85. Another new Sandy Riley product. This one is a lightweight retinol for smoothing lines and brightening complexion. So another a new serum from them. I tried a different one and I loved. Very effective for the skin, at least for mine. If you use Sandy Riley products, let me know in the comments down below how they worked for you. Then we have from Douche Relentless, something like that, matte lip crayon in Winterberry, and is this color right here, because comes with the seal. I'm not gonna open it because probably I will put this one in giveaways. Then we have another hair product, and this is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. It's a good size, used to come in half of this size in boxes. It's a hair mask, it's nourishing mask in 60 milliliters, which is 2 fluid ounces. This one in a full size, it's $28. This hair mask is light, so it's easy to spread, but it's loaded with hydrating ingredients like jojoba seed oil, panthenol, and sea blackthorn seed oil. So it's a hair mask in a good size. And the last product in here, on the card here, it shows Beauty Blender Mini, but I got something else. They show here the mini beauty blender, which I would love to get, but instead of that I got a nail polish. I don't know how many hundreds I got in the boxes, and I'm not kidding, I'm not joking. I will show you one day a shelf with those nail polishes that I have. This is Call Me Agent. It's from NCLA. It's a good brand, and let me show you the color of this one. Probably I will wear this color in one of my next videos, and I will let you know at that time that is the shade that came in the Allure. So far it's a pretty nice red, matches with the bag, right? So that's all for Allure January. I love the new packaging. This bag is so cute. Let me know what do you think about this. It's not something special, it's pure plastic, but the way it looks, to me it's very cute and I love it. Also the products are great in my opinion. Let me know what do you think about this one. It's great to get a full-size oil from Sandy Riley, a deluxe samples, which is a new product, and it's great that they let us try new products, which is amazing, because many boxes are coming with old products. I'm not saying they are not good, with well-known products, but rarely when you get something new, and I appreciate when they do that. So a serum from Sandy Riley, a hair mask, a hair scrub, a scalp scrub or body. Probably I will use this one for hair, and lots of products comparing with other months. The Duchelli product and the Mali eyeshadow stick and the nail polish. I think for $15 it's great. I think so. You let me know what do you think about this one. So far I have Allure for a long time, and I'm planning to keep it. I don't know for how long, but right now I cannot cancel it, so I will stick around with them for another period of time. So far that's all in this box. Let me know what do you think about the box. Let me know what do you think about the new packaging. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. I will see you soon with another video. I am trying to film as much I can. I will love to do some reviews pretty soon on my channel, but right now I'm working on I'm still working on the favorites for 2018. I'm still grabbing those products and trying to get them together. Anyway, hopefully I will come soon with that video. Let me know what else would you like to see on my channel. As I told you, I would love to have more reviews this year, but you let me know what else would you like to try. A friend of mine asked me about declutter videos, but I usually throw them by the time I find them, so I will never have probably a huge declutter, because I'm going through them. I see something that it's old, it doesn't work or whatever, throw them in the empties or the garbage directly. So probably that it's a type of video that you might not see on my channel. In another words, let me know what would you like to see. That's kind of all for now. I will leave the link for this website if you wanna subscribe to them. If it's something open as giveaways, I will leave always them in the description box. That's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for everything. I will see you soon. Bye bye.